As you know, we are having a chance for another East Coast snowstorm around the 9th, 10th, 11th of the month coming up, and I'm using this little GFS model from last night's 0Z run just to illustrate the possibilities of a major snowfall for the Philadelphia region. Right here, as you can see, we have a low pressure system located off the Virginia coast, moving in a north-northeast fashion. Right over here, this blue line that runs through here, that's our 0° 850 line. And then over here, just to the north, running through southern New England and through central Pennsylvania is the -10 850 millibar line. So as you can see, most areas to the north and west of this blue line right here, which is our 0° line, would be in a form of snow, sleet, or ice. So that, as you can see, most of the Philadelphia region would be snow with a chance of a mix down near the coast and southern Delaware. On our next map right here, this is a 6Z run, which is 6 hours later than, or should I say earlier than the prior run that we just showed on the 0Z from last night's run. As we can see that on this particular model, the low pressure is a little further south, and the air is, if anything, colder over our region with the -10 line at 850 millibars is right over the just to the north and west of the Philadelphia region, with the 0 line for the 850s all the way down into southern Virginia. In this particular model, we would be seeing snow in the whole area, and we'll just look at another couple of models to just illustrate the possibilities again for the big snow for the 10th. On this next model, as we can clearly see, this is the Canadian from last night's 0Z run. Right over in here, this black line is our 0 line at 850 millibars. As you can clearly see, the line runs through South Jersey to just south of Philly, near Wilmington, and then down through western part of Virginia all the way down into the lower deep south. On this particular run, we would have all started snow, and perhaps there would be some mixing issues, especially in South Jersey and southern Delaware. Let's take this frame. This is at 156 hours on the 0Z Canadian. Let's look at the next set of hours to see any difference in the display. In this next frame at 168 hours on the 0Z Canadian run, you can clearly see the black line, which represents our 0 line, 850 millibars, is clearly way off into the Atlantic, running down through the bottom of southern Virginia all the way down into the deep south. So as we can clearly see, based on the Canadian model, we have some mixing issues, especially in South Jersey and 2/3 of the southern Delaware, but everything would in the end change over to snow or a period of snow flurries even down in the deep southern New Jersey and southern Delaware. Thank you for listening to my little weather minutes. This is my first test on this little sample link, so thank you so much for joining me.